Tracer wire technologies, new and innovative grounding devices, offer the ideal solution for deficiencies prevalent in current tracer wire construction practices. To understand these deficiencies, we first need to discuss a few key principles of line locating: frequency and grounding. These two topics are closely related because the frequency used greatly influences the accuracy of a locate, and the grounding configuration determines what frequency will work best and where the signal will travel. Typically, using low transmitter frequency is preferred for most accurate locating. This is because low frequency tends to stay on the intended target and is much less likely to migrate onto nearby lines. In order to use low frequency on tracer wire, the far ends of the wire must be grounded. Unfortunately, most tracer wires are improperly installed, with the ends left hanging out in the air or lying in the weeds, which will not provide an accurate locate using low frequency. With improper grounding, the locating technician is forced to use higher frequency. This is a serious mistake since higher frequencies are much more likely to jump to unintended targets, particularly in congested areas. The results are inaccurate locates and a higher probability of line strikes. Proper grounding provides the transmitter signal a return path in order to complete the circuit. Unlike metallic pipelines that transfer locating signal into the surrounding soil through their coatings, the insulation on tracer wire is specifically designed not to allow energy to escape until it reaches a grounding point. Since we know low frequency provides the most accurate locates and requires proper grounding, the fact that most tracer wires are left exposed and ungrounded leaves them vulnerable to inaccurate locates. Additionally, grounded wires are much more likely to attract naturally occurring signals in the soil and will be significantly more visible on passive sweeps. As you can see, grounding is essential for accurately locating tracer wires. However, this is not to say that grounding every tracer wire during a locate is the best practice. The ideal solution is achieved through selective grounding. This allows the locating technician to route the transmitter signal by grounding specific legs of the intended target. And with our grounding devices, this is possible. This greatly enhances the ability to direct the locate path rather than just letting it go to the best ground. Secondly, this allows low transmitter frequencies to be used, which minimizes signal transfer to unintended targets, thus dramatically increasing the accuracy of the locate. In the next video, we will show you how our intuitive grounding devices provide a way to properly ground tracer wire terminations, while also allowing the locating technician to selectively isolate and locate each leg of the tracer wire accurately.